Hello friends, today I will tell you how to download the 1xbet application and then register with the maximum bonus. Run App Store, and press the button at the top right of the screen. Now click on the place where your name and surname are written. Now click on the button where the country region is written. Click the Change Country or Region button. Now looking for Belarus. Accept the terms of use. Now you need to do as on the screen. Write Kazinska Street, index 220004, choose Minsk City, write any numbers in the phone number, click the Apply Settings button and restart the App Store. Now looking for 1xbet. The first application in the list, and there is 1xbet. I have already downloaded it. You will only need to click the download button. Now at the same time I will show you how to register with the maximum bonus. Click the register button, and select full registration to be able to restore your account. Now we write your first name, last name, choose the city and date of birth, write your mail and phone number. And be sure to enter our official promo code FREECASH777 when registering to get maximum bonuses. You can also choose the type of bonus. And I will also show you a quick way to register. Click on the registration button in one click. Here you only need to select your country and currency. And be sure to enter our official promo code FREECASH777. And that's all friends, win with 1xbet.